What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on this window here, and I'm gonna show you how to turn this to this. So if you guys want to see how I fill in this window with glass block, then this video is for you. Let's get into it. Before this video starts, can you guys do me a huge favor and hit that like and subscribe button down below? Really helps me out, helps the channel grow, helps the video reach a wider audience, and I really appreciate it. So thanks in advance, guys. Got some white mortar already mixed up. I used this glass block mortar mix. I got this from Home Depot, 50-pound bag. I think they're $18 a piece. So I mixed one bag up so far. So we'll see how far that gets us. I have two of these bags. All I did here was just mix it back and forth until I get the consistency of peanut butter, maybe just a little bit thicker than peanut butter. Have some other mortar here. That's just regular type S. That's what I type S mortar. I usually use that to install glass block windows that are already pre-made. So this is what we got. I'm going to be using these glass block spacers just because it makes everything a lot easier. You can lay these without using spacers with just a level, a line or a level or whatever, but using the spacers makes everything really easy. And these are the glass block that I have here, 36-inch opening. So you gotta kind of play with these block to figure out exactly how it's gonna go. So I'm gonna have an 8-inch here, an 8-inch here, and then there's gonna be 3 of these 6 inches in the middle. And it should all work out real well. I'm gonna lay these first ones with that type S mortar, and then the rest will be with the white glass block mortar. All right, so for this first course, these are 8-inch block, 8-inch tall. So I'm gonna try to match these block every course all the way up. This first one's gonna be the hardest one. I'm gonna get all these pretty much where I need them to be, and then the rest will go real easy. So hopefully it fits in here. All right, so I think I got these first ones where I want them. It's about these little things, these little block spacers. You can cut them down and do little things like this. Just gonna lay him. I think I put too much actually. Now, like I said, I think I added too much mortar, and I did. So I'm gonna take a little bit out now. All part of the trial and error. I don't lay glass block very often. I install a lot of pre-made glass block windows, but hardly ever do I lay glass block. So it's a little bit of a learning curve for me here. So I got a couple brick ties I'm gonna add on the third course up. And I'm gonna add one of these supports every 3 courses as well. These are mason nails. I'm gonna just do the same thing here, so it's pretty cut and dry, and I'll get back to you when I'm adding those supports. All right, so got a couple brick ties in. So I got this support going all the way over on this third row up. Got all my little spacers in, and I'm ready to keep going, making some progress. All right, guys, before I get too far along here, I'm gonna take a bag with my regular Type S mortar. I'm gonna fill in these edges to give this some good bit of stability. All right, so this is what we got so far. I got, what, 4 courses laid. I got 3 more to go. It's looking pretty good. Now, as soon as it starts drying up, I can break those off, those little tabs, and then I'm gonna sponge the whole thing and clean it up real nice and make it look beautiful. I think it's gonna turn out pretty good. Home Depot had 21, so I was excited that they had exactly how many I needed, but I got home and the one is broken, so I'm gonna have to go back and get another one, but I can finish everything that I have here for now. So I'm gonna show you what you do here when you're using these little glass block space. Okay, so it's starting to get nice and set up. I'm getting to the point where I can sponge it. So all you do is you take these, and it even has these little nubs on it, and you just twist them. Just like that. Twist off, and that little cross in there, that just stays in there. So I got a sponge here, brand new, just smooth sponge. Got my white mortar, made it a little bit, added a little bit of water and whipped it up a little bit just to make it a little bit smoother. Just wipe it right on there. You don't want to press too hard because you don't want to push in.
You don't want to get the gray mortar. Try not to hit that. And right now we're just filling, making sure it's all filled in. See how I'm kind of slapping it? Slapping it in there. You want to keep it nice and flat. You don't want to press too hard.
So you're just going to keep cleaning these block off. Keep getting fresh, clean water. And you're just going to keep doing this until you have them all cleaned off. This is the finished product. Had a couple rain days, so couldn't quite finish. Had a broken glass block, I had to go get another one, and ran out of the mortar for the sides, but this is what we got. This is how it turned out. I think it looks pretty good. This little addition here has been like this for a long time, so finally starting to do a little bit of work to it here and there. But I think these glass block windows make it look a lot better. You can see I've been working on that one over there today. So I think it's gonna look really good when it's all done. I ended up using one whole bag of this white mortar that I got from Home Depot. I used one bag per window. And still, you can see I'm still working on this one, making a short video for that. But this one turned out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the next video. I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.